What up, guys? So in this video we're gonna battle some oil stains. We're doing a driveway and a little walkway up to the front door. It's got a really bad oil stain on it. It's got mildew on the driveway and such. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pre-treat the oil with a Red Raider from Southside Equipment, spiked with sodium hydroxide. I know, throw in the comments right now,
what are you doing? You're gonna blow yourself up. I have no idea what you're doing. I like your videos, but you do things correctly.
So we're mixing Red Raider. Now, I eyed it out, but I would say I mix about 5 to 1. So I made a little batch, about a gallon. So I'm gonna be putting 20 to 30 ounces of Red Raider in there. All right, so that's about a 5 to 1. And then per gallon of water, because it's tough grease or oil, I put a pound of sodium hydroxide. So 20 ounces, 20, 30 ounces of Red Raider, 16 ounces of sodium hydroxide, 1 gallon of water, straight onto the oil stains, let dwell for 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes, and then I hit again, and then surface cleaned. Well, actually I hit again, then I downstreamed the entire driveway and walkway with my normal mix, and then surface clean, and you'll see it came right out. It's crazy. But yeah, anyway guys, thank you for rocking with the army. Thank you so much for those of you, you know who you are, always commenting and always liking the videos. That kind of stuff helps me. It makes me more motivated to make more videos. I know I'm not the best out there, but you know, it inspires me to go harder, and you know, I love doing it. So I appreciate those of you that are always commenting and always been supporting me. And a few of you have been there since day one, man. Always commenting, always just keeping the chat lively, asking questions. You know, I try to answer questions and stuff like that, but as best as I can. But you know, I still get some haters here and there, but nothing that outweighs the people who support this channel. So I appreciate you guys rocking with the army. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. So we're doing, let me show you here, we got a driveway that's got algae and mildew on it, but it's also got oil stains. So I'm gonna show you how we take care of that. I believe he said it was motor oil or something. He was changing, I don't know, some kind of mini bike or something right in his walkway for his nephew or grandson or something like that. And they spilled motor oil right in the walkway. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I have some stuff from Russ Johnson called BD 200, so I'll probably use some of that, or I may just use some sodium hydroxide. So we'll check that out. Either way, I'm gonna let you guys know how it works, and you'll see the details, so follow along. All right guys, so what I'm gonna do is I can't find my BD 20 or 200 isn't on the truck, it's in my trailer, so I don't have that today. So I'm gonna use his Red Raider, and I'm probably gonna use, I don't know, 5 to 1. I'll probably put I'll make like a gallon of mix, so I'll put I don't know, like a couple cups in a gallon. And then what I'm gonna do is put like a pound of hydroxide in there. And people might talk smack or whatever, but I have but the oil stains are pretty bad. So what I'm gonna do is put this hydroxide beads. Looks kind of like oxalic, but if you look really close, they're beads. Let's see if I can get it. They're like little. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this is like a sick let's see, this is probably a 2-pound container, so 32 ounces. So I'm gonna put half of this in here, and I'm gonna put probably about 8 ounces of this stuff, Red Raider, and we'll spray it on the oil stain. So here we go. So guys, when you mix this stuff, make sure I'm gonna put some gloves on and my mask. This stuff is once it mixes with water, the temperature goes up and it gets really dangerous. So make sure you wear your PPE. We're gonna add more, but just to show you, make sure you wear your mask. I'm gonna pour some of this in here now. There you go. Boom, that's enough. These containers I got at Lowe's are pretty cool because you can see the mix. You got 1 gallon, 1.5, 2.5, 3, 3.5. Tells you what you're measuring. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this to the oil stains. I'm going to let it dwell probably for like 15 minutes. Maybe hit it again. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pre-treat the whole driveway with some SH soap and surface clean. So check it out.